Smart learning environments, new teaching models, and modern educational system constitute the three realms of smart education. So, what exactly constitutes the smart learning environment? Learning environments are familiar to us. Any space where teaching and learning occur can be called the learning environments. Initially, primitive societies used natural forests and mountains as learning spaces, acquiring knowledge related to labor, such as hunting and knotted counting. Later, private schools such as Xiangxi, Sisu, and the Academy emerged, along with official schools such as the Imperial College. After the emergence of the class teaching system, classrooms gradually formed, which is the most familiar learning environment for us. With the development of information technology, digital technologies like multimedia computers, projection equipment, the internet, and multimedia courseware gradually entered schools and classrooms, offering richer forms of educational resources. Subsequently, online courses and MOOC platforms emerged, and now even to the edu-metaverse, making learning environments unrestricted by time and space. Today's learning environments have indeed undergone significant changes compared to the past. In terms of learning content, there is a pursuit of personalization and customization. In terms of learning experience and efficiency, our demands are increasingly higher. Moreover, the development of technology has brought tremendous changes to learning environments. Based on these characteristics, we can define smart learning environments as the learning space or activity area that promotes effective learning for learners. It is capable of recognizing learner characteristics, perceiving learning scenarios, providing convenient interactive tools and appropriate learning resources, automatically tracking the learning process, and assessing learning outcomes. It can integrate the physical and virtual environments to better provide learning support and services tailored to the individual traits and learning characteristics of learners. Smart learning environments are the advanced form of digital learning environments and are an inevitable result of the development of educational technology. To further understand smart learning environments, we can look at their elements, including learning resources, intelligence tools, learning communities, teaching communities, and ways to learn and teach. Learners and teachers correlate and interact with the other four elements through the ways to learn and the ways to teach, collectively fostering effective learning among learners. The learning communities emphasize interaction, collaboration, and communication among learners. The teaching community is a cohesive entity where teachers engage in mutual learning, collaborate, and seek continuous professional development together. The occurrence of effective learning is the result of both individual and group construction. The design and development of learning resources and intelligence tools are inseparable from the support of intelligent technologies. And the development of learning and teaching communities requires the joint function of resources and tools. Likewise, learning and teaching communities play a promoting role in the evolution of resources and tools. In the ideal smart learning environment, each learner can hold a smart mobile device, like an iPad, with a screen size like a paper textbook. This device can mimic all the functions of a paper textbook, such as note-taking, inserting bookmarks, making annotations and comments, and provides a page-turning effect. The teaching materials loaded onto smart mobile devices are called e-textbooks. The content of the e-textbook is multimedia, and the knowledge points are linked by semantic relations, allowing for personalized presentation of content. E-textbooks can synchronize learning data with learners progress through cloud services, track the learning process, intelligently analyze learning outcomes, graphically present results, and provide guidance and assistance to learners with input from teachers. The construction of smart learning environments relies on technological support. The technological features of smart learning environments are primarily manifested in tracking learning processes, recognizing learning scenarios, awareness of the physical environment, and the connecting learning communities. The aim is to facilitate easy, engaged, and effective learning for learners, which are also the functional requirements of smart learning environments. Tracking the learning process refers to smart learning environments using technologies like motion capture, emotion recognition, and eye tracking to perceive and record learners' engagement in knowledge acquisition, classroom interaction, and group collaboration. This allows for tracking the learning process, analyzing learning outcomes, and establishing a learner model to support the evaluation of the learner's learning effectiveness. Recognizing the learning scenario means that smart learning environments can provide personalized resources and tools based on learner models and learning scenarios. These scenarios include learning time, location, partners, and activities, supporting the conduct of teaching activities. Awareness of the physical environment in smart learning environments involves using sensor technology to monitor air quality, temperature, light, sound, in order to provide a comfortable physical learning environment for learners. Connecting learning communities refers to the ability of smart learning environments to establish learning communities for specific scenarios, supporting effective connection and utilization of these communities for communication and exchange. Artificial intelligence technologies, such as learner modeling, learning analytics, and knowledge-based retrieval, enable the tracking of students' learning processes and the recognition of learning scenarios. Sensor technology allows for the perception of learning scenarios and learning environments. Communication technology facilitates effective connectivity among learners.